Welcome to PYQ Diary. We provide a comprehensive analysis of 100 most important questions answers of computer. Let's begin.
Question 1. The brain of a computer is? The choices are A. Monitor, B. Keyboard, C. CPU, and D. Mouse. The correct answer is option C. CPU. Question 2. CPU stands for? The choices are A. Central Process Unit, B. Central Processing Unit, C. Computer Processing Unit, and D. Central Program Unit. The correct answer is option B. Central Processing Unit. Question 3. Which device is used to enter data into a computer? The choices are A. Printer, B. Monitor, C. Keyboard, and D. Speaker. The correct answer is option C. Keyboard. Question 4. Which is an output device? The choices are A. Mouse, B. Scanner, C. Keyboard, and D. Printer. The correct answer is option D. Printer. Question 5. The full form of RAM is? The choices are A. Random access memory, B. Read access memory, C. Rapid access memory, and D. Random active memory. The correct answer is option A. Random access memory. Question 6. RAM is? The choices are A. Permanent memory, B. Temporary memory, C. Secondary memory, and D. External memory. The correct answer is option B. Temporary memory. Question 7. The full form of ROM is? The choices are A. Read-only memory, B. Random-only memory, C. Read-open memory, and D. Run-only memory. The correct answer is option A. Read-only memory. Question 8. Which memory is non-volatile? The choices are A. RAM, B. Cache, C. ROM, and D. Register. The correct answer is option C. ROM. Question 9. 1 KB equals? The choices are A. 1000 bytes, B. 1024 bytes, C. 1028 bytes, and D. 512 bytes. The correct answer is option B. 1024 bytes. Question 10. 1 megabyte equals? The choices are A. 1024 kilobytes, B. 1000 kilobytes, C. 1024 gigabytes, and D. 100 kilobytes. The correct answer is option A. 1024 kilobytes.
Question 11. Which software controls hardware? The choices are A. MS Word, B. Operating System, C. Browser, and D. Excel. The correct answer is option B. Operating System.
Question 12. Windows is a? The choices are A. Hardware, B. Programming language, C. Operating system, and D. Browser. The correct answer is option C. Operating system. Question 13. Linux is? The choices are A. Application software, B. Operating system, C. Hardware, and D. Browser. The correct answer is option B. Operating system. Question 14. Which is application software? The choices are A. Windows, B. Linux, C. MS Word, and D. DOS. The correct answer is option C. MS Word. Question 15. MS Word is used for? The choices are A. Presentation, B. Spreadsheet, C. Word processing, and D. Database. The correct answer is option C. Word processing. Question 16. MS Excel is used for? The choices are A. Calculations, B. Drawing, C. Gaming, and D. Browsing. The correct answer is option A. Calculations. Question 17. MS PowerPoint is used for? The choices are A. Spreadsheet, B. Presentation, C. Database, and D. Programming. The correct answer is option B. Presentation. Question 18. The default extension of Word file is? The choices are A. .xls, B. .ppt, C. .docx, and D. .txt. The correct answer is option C. .docx. Question 19. The default extension of Excel file is? The choices are A. .xlxx, B. .pptx, C. .docx, and D. .exe. The correct answer is option A, .xlxx. Question 20. The default extension of PowerPoint file is, the choices are A, .docx, B, .xlsx, C, .pptx, and D, .txt. The correct answer is option C, .pptx. Question 21. www stands for, the choices are A, World Wide Web, B, Wide World Web, C, World Web Wide, and D, Web Worldwide. The correct answer is option A, World Wide Web. Question 22. Internet is, the choices are A, Network of Networks, B, Hardware Device, C, Software, and D, CPU. The correct answer is option A, Network of Networks. Question 23. Which is a web browser? The choices are A, Windows, B, Chrome, C, Linux, and D, DOS. The correct answer is option B, Chrome. Question 24. Google is, the choices are A, Search Engine, B, Operating System, C, Database, and D, CPU. The correct answer is option A, Search Engine. Question 25. URL stands for, the choices are A, Uniform Resource Locator, B, Universal Resource Locator, C, Uniform Record Locator, and D, Universal Record Link. The correct answer is option A, Uniform Resource Locator. Question 26. HTTP stands for, the choices are A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B, Hypertransfer Text Protocol, C, High Text Transfer Protocol, and D, Hypertool Transfer Protocol. The correct answer is option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question 27. Email stands for, the choices are A, Electronic Mail, B, Easy Mail, C, Express Mail, and D, Electronic Message. The correct answer is option A, Electronic Mail. Question 28. Which symbol is mandatory in an email address? The choices are A, hash, B, and, C, at, and D, %. The correct answer is option C, at. Question 29. Which key is used to refresh a web page? The choices are A, F1, B, F2, C, F5, and D, F10. The correct answer is option C, F5. Question 30. Which key is used to rename a file? The choices are A, F2, B, F3, C, F4, and D, F5. The correct answer is option A, F2. Question 32. Control plus V is used for, the choices are A, paste, B, copy, C, save, and D, print. The correct answer is option A, paste. Question 32. Control plus V is used for, the choices are A, paste, B, copy, C, save, and D, print. The correct answer is option A, paste. Question 33. Control plus X is used for, the choices are A, copy, B, paste, C, cut, and D, undo. The correct answer is option C, cut. Question 34. Control plus Z is used for, the choices are A, redo, B, undo, C, save, and D, open. The correct answer is option B, undo. Question 35. Control plus S is used for, the choices are A, save, B, search, C, select, and D, send. The correct answer is option A, save. Question 36. Control plus P is used for, the choices are A, paste, B, print, C, page, and D, program. The correct answer is option B, print. Question 37. Control plus A is used for, the choices are A, add, B, select all, C, align, and D, arrange. The correct answer is option B, select all. Question 38. Which device prints documents? The choices are A, scanner, B, printer, C, plotter, and D, speaker. The correct answer is option B, printer. Question 39. Scanner is an The choices are A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Storage device, and D. Processing device. The correct answer is option A. Input device. Question 40. Monitor is, the choices are A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Memory device, and D. Storage device. The correct answer is option B. Output device. Question 41. Mouse is, the choices are A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Memory device, and D. Software. The correct answer is option A. Input device. Question 42. Which memory is fastest? The choices are A. RAM, B. ROM, C. Cache memory, and D. Hard disk. The correct answer is option C. Cache memory. Question 43. Hard disk is, the choices are A. Primary memory, B. Secondary storage, C. Cache, and D. Register. The correct answer is option B. Secondary storage. Question 44. Which is an optical storage device? The choices are A. HDD, B. SSD, C. CD-ROM, and D. RAM. The correct answer is option C. CD-ROM. Question 45. Virus is, the choices are A. Hardware, B. Malware, C. Browser, and D. CPU. The correct answer is option B. Malware. Question 46. Antivirus software is used to, the choices are A. Create virus, B. Remove virus, C. Store data, and D. Browse internet. The correct answer is option B. Remove virus. Question 47. Which is antivirus software? The choices are A. Windows, B. Excel, C. Quick Heal, and D. Chrome. The correct answer is option C. Quick Heal. Question 48. The full form of PDF is, the choices are A. Portable document format, B. Personal document format, C. Printed document file, and D. Portable data file. The correct answer is option A. Portable document format. Question 49. Which company developed Windows? The choices are A. Apple, B. Google, C. Microsoft, and D. IBM. The correct answer is option C. Microsoft. Question 50. Founder of Microsoft. The choices are A. Steve Jobs, B. Bill Gates, C. Larry Page, and D. Sundar Pichai. The correct answer is option B. Bill Gates. Question 51. Binary number system uses. The choices are A. 2 digits, B. 8 digits, C. 10 digits, and D. 16 digits. The correct answer is option A. 2 digits. Question 52. Binary digits are, the choices are A. 1 and 2, B. 0 and 1, C. 2 and 3, and D. 1 and 3. The correct answer is option B. 0 and 1. Question 53. 1 byte contains, the choices are A. 4 bits, B. 8 bits, C. 16 bits, and D. 32 bits. The correct answer is option B. 8 bits. Question 54. Full form of CPU. The choices are A. Central Processing Unit, B. Central Program Unit, C. Computer Processing Unit, and D. Control Processing Unit. The correct answer is option A. Central Processing Unit. Question 55. Full form of ALU. The choices are A. Arithmetic Logic Unit, B. Arithmetic Link Unit, C. Algorithm Logic Unit, and D. Automatic Logic Unit. The correct answer is option A. Arithmetic Logic Unit. Question 56. Which is not an operating system? The choices are A. Linux, B. Android, C. MS Word, and D. Windows. The correct answer is option C. MS Word. Question 57. Android is developed by, the choices are A. Apple, B. Google, C. Microsoft, and D. IBM. The correct answer is option B. Google. Question 59. Which device connects computer to internet? The choices are A. Modem, B. Printer, C. Scanner, and D. Speaker. The correct answer is option A. modem. Question 60. LAN stands for, the choices are A. Local area network, B. Large area network, C. Long area network, and D. Linked area network. The correct answer is option A. Local area network. Question 61. WAN stands for, the choices are A. Wide area network, B. World area network, C. Web area network, and D. Wireless area network. The correct answer is option A. Wide area network. Question 62. MEN stands for, the choices are A. Metropolitan area network, B. Main area network, C. Medium area network, and D. Manual area network. The correct answer is option A. Metropolitan area network. Question number 64. Gmail is A. The choices are A. Browser, B. Email service, C. Operating system, and D. Search engine. The correct answer is option B. Email service. Question 65. Full form of USB. The choices are A. Universal Serial Bus, B. Universal System Bus, C. Unique Serial Bus, and D. Universal Storage Bus. The correct answer is option A. Universal Serial Bus. Question 66. Which device stores data permanently? The choices are A. RAM, B. Cache, C. Hard disk, and D. Register. The correct answer is option C. Hard disk. Question 67. SSD stands for, the choices are A. Solid state drive, B. Secure state drive, C. Solid storage disk, and D. System state drive. The correct answer is option A. Solid state drive. Question 68. Which company developed Android? The choices are A. Microsoft, B. Apple, C. Google, and D. IBM. The correct answer is option C. Google. Question 69. Control plus N is used for, the choices are A. New document, B. Next page, C. New folder only, and D. None. The correct answer is option A. New document. Question 70. Control plus O is used for, the choices are option A. Open file, option B. Output, option C. Order, and option D. Option. The correct answer is option A. Open file. Question 71. Shortcut for find. The choices are A. Control plus F, B. Control plus G, C. Control plus H, and D. Control plus J. The correct answer is option A. Control plus F. Question 72. Shortcut for replace. The choices are A. Control G, B. Control H, C. Control R, and D. Control L. The correct answer is option B. Control H. Question 73. Which is cloud storage? The choices are A. Google Drive, B. RAM, C. ROM, and D. CPU. The correct answer is option A. Google Drive. Question 74. Full form of ICT. The choices are A. Information and Communication Technology, B. Internet Communication Technology, C. Information Computer Technology, and D. Internal Communication Technology. The correct answer is option A. Information and Communication Technology. Question 75. Which is an example of DBMS? The choices are A. MS Access, B. Paint, C. WordPad, and D. Chrome. The correct answer is option A. MS Access. Question 76. AI stands for, the choices are A. Artificial Intelligence, B. Automatic Intelligence, C. Artificial Integration, and D. Automatic Integration. The correct answer is option A. Artificial Intelligence. Question 77. Which company developed ChatGPT? The choices are A. Google, B. Microsoft, C. OpenAI, and D. IBM. The correct answer is option C. OpenAI. Question 78. A website address is called, the choices are A. URL, B. IP, C. ISP, and D. CPU. The correct answer is option A. URL. Question 79. ISP stands for, the choices are A. Internet Service Provider, B. Internet System Provider, C. Internal Service Provider, and D. Information Service Provider. The correct answer is option A. Internet Service Provider. Question 80. Which is not storage media? The choices are A. CD, B. DVD, C. Pen drive, and D. Monitor. The correct answer is option D. Monitor. Question 82. www was invented by? The choices are A. Bill Gates, B. Tim Berners-Lee, C. Steve Jobs, and D. Charles Babbage. The correct answer is option B. Tim Berners-Lee. Question 83. Father of computer. The choices are A. Alan Turing, B. Charles Babbage, C. Bill Gates, and D. John von Neumann. The correct answer is option B. Charles Babbage. Question 84. Father of Indian supercomputer. The choices are A. Vijay Bhatkar, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Sam Pitroda, and D. Vikram Sarabhai. The correct answer is option A. Vijay Bhatkar. Question 85. Which generation used vacuum tubes? The choices are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, and D. Fourth. The correct answer is option A. First. Question 86. Which generation used transistors? The choices are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, and D. Fourth. The correct answer is option B. Second. Question 87. Which generation used ICs? The choices are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, and D. Fourth. The correct answer is option C. Third. Question 88. Which generation uses microprocessors? The choices are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, and D. Fourth. The correct answer is option D. Fourth. Question 89. Which is a programming language? The choices are A. Python, B. Chrome, C. Windows, and D. Excel. The correct answer is option A. Python. Question 90. Which is not a programming language? The choices are A. Java, B. C++, C. Excel, and D. Python. The correct answer is option C. Excel. Question 91. Full form of GUI. The choices are A. Graphical User Interface, B. General User Interface, C. Graphic Utility Interface, and D. General Utility Interface. The correct answer is option A. Graphical User Interface. Question 92. Which company makes iPhone? The choices are A. Google, B. Samsung, C. Apple, and D. Nokia. The correct answer is option C. Apple. Question 93. Which key deletes selected item permanently? The choices are A. Delete, B. Shift plus delete, C. Control plus delete, and D. Alt plus delete. The correct answer is option B. Shift plus delete. Question 94. Recycle bin stores. The choices are A. Deleted files, B. Programs, C. Virus, and D. Drivers. The correct answer is option A. Deleted files. Question 95. Which is not an input device? The choices are A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Scanner, and D. Monitor. The correct answer is option D. Monitor. Question 96. Which is not an output device? The choices are A. Printer, B. Monitor, C. Speaker, and D. Keyboard. The correct answer is option D. Keyboard. Question 97. Bluetooth is used for? The choices are A. Wireless communication, B. Printing, C. Scanning, and D. Processing. The correct answer is option A. Wireless communication. Question 98. Wi-Fi is? The choices are A. Wire technology, B. Wireless networking technology, C. Software, and D. Memory. The correct answer is option B. Wireless networking technology.
Question 99. Which key opens Start menu? The choices are A. Windows key, B. Shift, C. Tab, and D. Alt. The correct answer is option A. Windows key.
Question 100. The most commonly used operating system in PCs is? The choices are A. Linux, B. macOS, C. Windows, and D. Unix. The correct answer is option C. Windows.
Thank you for watching this session. Hope you enjoyed and learned from this session of 100 computer questions. So stay updated with us and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel PYQ Diary.